Imagine you're casting a movie. Who would you cast to play the role of your resistance? What I mean by that is so often when we think about our resistant or being resistant, we think about the heaviness that comes with it, the feeling of walking into some invisible wall. But what if we could start to reframe that feeling of resistance that we have so it offers some psychological distance? I asked women today this question during your stress-free holiday roadmap. And one of the women said that who would they have play as their resistance? SteveCarell. Another woman, Barbra Streisand. Let me know in the comments, who would you want to cast as your resistance? Because the more that we can really start to lean into all the different nuances of our resistance and we can step into a place of play, we're reminding our nervous system that we're safe. It allows us to stay regulated, and more often than not, it allows us to stay in that place of sovereignty. It allows us to remember that we are so much more than the feeling of resistant. And when we can attack it from a sense of play and unconventional methods, that's when we can really start to release resistance for empowered action and allow ourselves to stay in our authentic truth as we push through all of it and move into a life that we deserve. Follow for more resources if this resonates. I'm Caminos, by the way, and I'm an embodiment coach and somatic practitioner. And just know, wherever you are in your journey, I've got your back. Follow for more resources on really how to navigate big emotions so you can start to build inner trust and experience better health, less anxiety, emotional freedom, and lasting joy. Bye.